My mistake. Oh, my apologies. I'm sorry to hear that. Is there a new owner for the smokehouse? Okay. Thank you very much. Y'all stay safe out there. Bye.
You running a dialer? You running off a dialer?
Yeah, and Prospect Boss.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm using Beachy Dial.
It's all right. It's like 70 something a month. The information on it's old as shit. So like,
Hey, is Kelly in?
10,000 people are dead.
Oh, voicemail would be amazing. Yeah.
I said, hey, I saw Jason's post in merchant service sales where that dude was walking in with the vodka bottle and he was like, hey, and now that shit's been stuck in my head all morning. Bueno, I was trying to see if Miguel Fernandez was in today. Habla inglés?
I need to give that lead to Jeff Bono. Bueno.
Bueno, I was trying to see if Miguel Fernandez was in
It's
today.
like, okay, you're working remote, but you should still be able to get your phone your like calls directed to your phone. Huh?
Because of the COVID-19.
Hello?
Hello?
But they're fine with y'all coming in, huh?
Sorry about that. I couldn't
Yes.
barely
This
hear you.
limousine.denver.com.
Oh, sorry about that, Tyler. Is
Oh,
Jim
okay,
around?
great. Is this the owner?
Is it?
Yeah, this is Craig with Go Prepaid.
My name's Bronson, and the reason for the call is I was on your website and I had an idea to help you convert more of your visitors into customers. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share it with you. You got a minute? I had an idea to help you get more customers from limousinedenver.com.
Hey, I was trying to get a hold of Blake. Hey, Blake, this is Craig over at Go Prepay. How you doing, brother? Good to hear, good to hear. Hey, I hope I'm catching you at an okay time. I was just giving you a call because one of my marketers had reached out to you. I believe it was a couple of days ago about our flat fee program for credit and debit card processing. Yep. So just kind of wanted to go into a little bit more details with you. They said that you had requested a little bit more information on it. Just had a couple of quick questions for you. First off, who are you all processing with currently right now? You guys are with First Data. Okay, cool. And how long have you guys been using their service? About a year. Okay, nice. Were y'all using anybody before them, or was this kind of like something that you got set up when you guys got into business? Gotcha. Okay. But it was Costco. Did you notice like a big change when you switched over to them, or is it all kind of still the same, or anything that you would change with the service you have? Ooh, that's pretty solid, man. Okay, cool. Well, to kind of tell you about what we got going on over here, just depending on the type of device y'all are needing set up. Oh, no, unfortunately, I can't send anyone over there right now due to the whole coronavirus thing, but I can reach out to you at another time if now's not a good time. You want me to try you back later on this afternoon? Gotcha. Sounds good, brother. All right. I will reach out to you then. Thanks so much. Bye. Man, Skype has been doing some weird things like I'm having other people's conversations jump in when I'm having
Get
a
a
conversation.
legit dialer, dude.
That's what I'm totally working on it. Totally working on it.
And the beauty is, like, this thing is just dialing right now. And as soon as somebody picks up, I mean, I have been waiting for like 2 minutes for a call. But... Bill? Yeah, is Bill around? Yeah, it's Bronson. Is Bill around? Oh. Ah, I see, I see. Who's handling the advertising now these days? Florida? Is there a better number for me? Yeah.
Hey, how's it going over there, man?
Sure, sure.
Ooh, I'm trying to live the dream in this crazy new world of ours.
N-I-C-O-N. Got it. Thank you.
Hey,
Have a good one.
is this Austin? Hey, Austin. This is Craig with Go Free Pay. I think you and I had spoke once before in regards to our online ordering software that we're doing right now for free for businesses and stuff like that. I wanted to see if y'all had received the email that I had sent over to you guys with the demo.
Why can't I find this group in YouTube? I mean, this video.
Because the seat.
Okay, gotcha.
Are you
So
frozen,
got it
dude?
set up in the square. Are
What?
they doing it to where there's no cost for them as well right now because of everything that's going on, or is there a charge still like a percentage?
I don't find
Alright, so I can plug in my go real quick.
Okay.
Hello?
Gotcha. Okay. Would there be a good time to reach out to you and your wife to kind of look at the numbers and see what?
Beautiful. Let's see here. What was it going to? Oh. There ain't no way this dude's only got 15, 4, 2.5. Damn.
Okay, so something's up with this live. It's not streaming. Oh,
Yeah,
it
no,
is.
I completely get it, man. I'm kind of in the same realm as you are with all the craziness going on. I got 3 little ones, and I run this business as well as a couple others also, so I completely get it. Gotcha, man.
Yeah, screw it. Get this.
Totally.
Hi, Rose. Is Karen around?
Gotcha, brother. Well, hey, thank you so much for your time over there. I appreciate it, and y'all stay safe, okay? Take care.
It's Bronson.
Stay safe.
Yeah, it's Bronson. Yeah, Biscuit.
Oh, coffee makes the world go round. Oh.
Hey, Karen. You're the in charge of the marketing over there. Is that right? Oh, okay. Yeah. The reason for the call is I was on your website shubi.com and had an idea that could help you guys convert more of your visitors into customers. You got a minute?